Hello everyone, it's Martha. Welcome to my channel, Everything Martha, Crafts and More. And I hope everybody is doing well. I have a super adorable DIY today, and it's not all Dollar Tree because the paint that I used was not from Dollar Tree. And what else? Oh, I used a couple of dry flowers from Amazon that I had bought. Everything else is Dollar Tree. You don't need a whole lot of things. It's super adorable fall DIY. I'm going to show you a picture. So if you like it, you can continue to watch and see how I did it. I want to welcome my new subscribers, and two of the names that I got was Bluebird Homestead and Katrina. Welcome. Thank you for subscribing. And anyone else who subscribed that I might not have your name, welcome. I'm so glad that you're being part of my channel. And so now, without further ado, I'm going to start with this adorable DIY that I just showed you the picture of. And so I have a lot of other ones coming up. I have, like I said before, a Halloween wreath, a couple other DIYs, and then maybe I will make a video of decorating my mantle for fall. And so I hope you'll be there for all those videos, and that you subscribe if you just happen to come across my channel. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'll be there for my next one. Bye, guys. Okay, you guys, so I bought these 5 wooden cubes at Dollar Tree, and I have all these things from previous years, and so I pulled out lots of my fall decors that I have from other crafts, left over from other crafts that I have made. And what I'm going to begin doing now is painting these really cute cubes, wooden cubes. And I like to use the fall colors, but I want them to be low key. I don't want them to be bright colors. So I'm going to use King's Gold, a light beige. I am also going to use a green, which I am going to mix with a white to make it lighter. And I am going to doctor up a burgundy with some cherry colored paint and some brown. I'm going to mix those two together. And so I'm also going to use a peach that I have, but it's all toned down colors. And so I'm going to get busy painting these cubes. In the description below, I am going to write the names of the paints that I used. Like I said, the burgundy one is a mixture of 2 colors, and also the green, I mixed the white with the green. And I think they came out really nice. I didn't want them to be super bright colors. I wanted them to be fall colors, but all on the lower tones. Now I'm going to use some of this gold, and I'm going to brush all the cubes with a little bit of this gold so that they're not just so flat. I want there to be a little dimension to this paint, and I want it to look a little bit weathered. You know, I just like everything to look a little bit weathered. I don't like it to look just freshly painted. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush each cube with some of this beautiful gold leaf paint. Okay, you guys, and now that I've finished painting the cubes, it's time to decorate them. So I am using some of this beautiful ribbon that I bought at Dollar Tree a while ago. It's got some beautiful fall leaves on it, and I'm gonna cut some of those out and I'm gonna stick them on with Mod Podge. I'm using the matte. I bought that at Dollar Tree as well. And I'm gonna use some stickers from Dollar Tree and some dry flowers that I bought at Amazon. So I'm going to just decorate some of the sides of the cubes because some of the sides are not going to be showing. They're going to be sitting next to each other. So I'm going to get busy and decorate my cubes with some of these pretty stickers and ribbons and flowers. Okay, you guys, so I finished decorating the cubes and now I have some letters that I have cut out with my Cricut, and it's gonna say hello fall. So on the top cube it's just gonna say the word hello and then the word fall by adding a letter to each of the bottom cubes. So I'm gonna get busy and peel these letters out and stick them on my cubes. Okay, you guys, next I'm gonna use some cinnamon sticks. Yes, I'm gonna use some cinnamon sticks, and I'm gonna cut those in about 1 inch sizes, and I'm only going to use on 3 of the cubes. I'm going to make like if it was a little stem on the top of 3 of the cubes, and I'm going to add 2 little leaves on each side of what is going to be the stem. And so almost like if these were like little pumpkins. So like I said, I'm only gonna do it on 3 of them because the 2 in the center bottom are going to have another block on top of it. So only on the 2 outer ones and the one that's gonna sit on the top with the word hello, I am going to add the little piece of cinnamon stick and the 2 little leaves. Goodness, you guys, it smells so good to work with this cinnamon sticks. It just reminds me so much of fall. It's a little added bonus to this DIY, the smell of the cinnamon. Okay, you guys, and I'm done. What do you think? I love the way that this DIY turned out. It was really inexpensive to make, and I love the colors. I love the little idea of the little cinnamon sticks coming up from the top of the cubes like if they were little pumpkins. It's just adorable. I am going to be using this on my mantle, so when I decorate it, I will make a video and let you guys see the way that it turned out. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I really appreciate each and every one of you so very much. I have a lot of fun videos coming up, and I hope that you will be there to check them out when I have them. So you take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.